Hello everyone, let's cut it out. Let's cut out this magazine. Alright, I'd like to thank everyone who wished me well in the last video. As I had mentioned that February is my worst month. But I'd like to thank everyone who watched enough of the video to hear me say that. As usual, we have cut things out in that long while. Bold will make your reality a dream. So if you see something that I missed, let me know. It says a good craft stash should never stop growing. No, my craft stash has to stop growing. You use it up. Let's get him. Love your color, or I'm just going to cut out the love your color. Because I can't change it. Like he can't. I hope everybody else is well. Okay. Hanging in there. Tyler France, where's my show? Tyler, where's my show? The Great Food Truck. Race. I love that show. Look at him. Oh, look at him. What's he doing? Look at him. Okay, that's funny. Yeah. Alright. Is your house ready for vacation? You're supposed to flush the toilet. Make sure your gutters and downspouts and drains are clear. You're supposed to arm the alarm. You're supposed to cut the water supply and flood drone spots. Light your home like you're there. Run the dishwasher. Power down small appliances. Never announce you're away. Trim tree limbs. And don't turn off the AC. Yep, okay. So now I told you, now you could go. See ya. So, the sparkliest, handiest, cutest craft stuff ever. Best all-purpose glue is E6000. I doubt it. That stuff stinks. You have to have proper ventilation and all that good stuff. Somebody was paid to run this. That's different. I don't think there's any sentiments or anything. This is pretty. The whole thing is pretty, isn't it? I'm just gonna capture a little bit of that blue. Even though I'll probably cut the whole thing out, because you know I just use a little piece of the image. Okay, what made me do that? Turn it. just like my ruckus. Oh, I may have to edit that out every time I turn the camera back. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. I'll cut that out. Oh, why didn't I get the border? Oh, well, that's pretty. Okay, so we cut that out. I'm going to read this article, so I'll hold that up. We'll see if I want to cut out these knobs. We got some interesting frames. Cute. It's only 1 centimeter, I think. And I wanted to read this article. I didn't get what it's gonna look like. That's cute. And he's fun. This is fun. So we got some. I think he was the hit parade. Oh, yes, he did. He even trucked. Yeah, he was the hit. Okay, guys, I'd like to thank you for stopping by. I will talk to you soon. Bye.